Hey folks, this is a short video to show you how to use this tool. So for this first one here, it's asking you to solve for the second pressure. Now what I like to do, and forgive my dog, he's just grunting in the background. What I like to do is just leave the one we're trying to solve for there, and then move this guy over. So we'll have P2 equals. Anytime you move something over to the other side, you need to move it to the opposite part of the fraction. So in other words, this V2 is in the numerator. If I'm going to move it to this other side, it needs to be in the denominator. So this is solving for P2, the second pressure. All you would have to do is put your variables in, whatever numbers you have for these, and calculate. Now, when we're looking at Charles' law, it gets a little trickier because we have fractions on both sides. So one of the hardest things for kids to do is solve for T2. So the way we'll do that, you can just rearrange these. Remember, when you move one from one side to the other, you just need to move it to the other side of the fraction. So, okay, this is a valid statement. I divided by T2, or by V2. And then if I multiply this side by T2, well, we can't have it equal to nothing. That doesn't help us. Well, we can move this guy over to the other side of the fraction, move this guy over to the other side of the fraction, and move this guy over to the other side of the fraction. And all of a sudden you have T2 equals T1 times V2 divided by V1. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions.